There are many benefits of staying well hydrated throughout the day. This rolls over into your sleep time as well. The question remains, is it a good idea to drink water before one goes to bed? The overall answer is yes. The body can lose up to a liter of water a night during sleep, so it makes sense to give yourself a fill up before the lights go out. However, there are some things you need to think about before tipping the glass prior to sleep. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of drinking water before bed. Water is very helpful in cleansing the body, and sleep time is when we go into repair mode. We build new cells and eliminate waste. For this we need fluids to flush out the system, which helps purge the body of impurities. It also helps us wake up in a better mood. The body is more vibrant and alive, which also helps alleviate such problems as morning headaches and low energy. Another useful benefit is water can make you feel full. This can help you from wanting that evening or midnight snack. The main disadvantage to drinking water before bed is having to get up to use the bathroom. Too much water interrupts your sleep pattern, which can make you groggy the next day. The best way to handle water intake is to have adequate amounts of water throughout the day. Maybe take a small glass of water before bed and keep some on the nightstand in case you are thirsty during the night. Overall, balance is key, and you should experiment to see what works best for you. Almost more important than quantity is the quality of water. The body could be taking in water with impurities, and in the long run that could lead to more harm than good. Always be sure to have a high-quality water source available to you both during the day and the night. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video, drinking water in the morning, what water source is right for you?